स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामा खातीर सांतिनेज वाठारांतलो रस्तो बंद केला, तरी त्या रस्त्यान गाडयो पासार जाल्यार दुल्लाचो थळाव्यांक त्रास जाता। ह्याच संदर्भात शुक्रारा पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाची पळोवणी करपाक गेल्लो। ह्या कामा खातीर लोकांनी सहकार्य करपाक जाय अशें मंत्री आनी पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात सांगता।
थळाव्यांक स्मार्ट सिटी खातीर कितले त्रास जातात हे ब्रेस्तारा पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात पळोवणी करपाक गेल्ल्या वेळार लोकांनी ताका सांगले। स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाक लागून सांतिनेज रस्तो बंद केला, गाडयो घरा व्हरपाक वाट ना अशें थळावे सांगतात। तशेंच ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांक आनी दुयेंती लोकांक दुल्लाचो त्रास जाता, पूण बाबूश म्हणटा उदरगत जाय जाल्यार लोकांनी सहकार्य करपाची गरज आसा।
About my vehicle, which is parked inside, so I have when you put barricades over there, I think at least enough. माका full view में बाहर पगे में ना। मुझे गाड़ी का बाहर कर ली, गाड़ी पट्टी भीतर घातली। जेव्हा तू barricade थंय घातले की ना, माका रात्री emergency असता। I have to go out. कसं बाहेर वतलो? I cannot go out. So I request like this. Instead of putting barricade there, right there, put it here. So that from the public can see and right, the road is closed. Okay. Very simple, no? So if you can read from the road is closed, you will know further. If you get a gap, this road okay. So I have a barricade exactly. So I put a problem by now. So they from there only return. This is my request for you. Of course, AC पे आता म्हणजे ते AC भितर म्हणजे घरान भितर AC तितलो त्रास आसता। तूं सकाळी गाडी आता तो मातसो कमी जाला हें फोडला पयलीं गाडी वताली पळय तेन्ना ती स्टेट पळय म्हाजी कितें
सर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर उदक मारिना डस्टाचे
कोण मारता
काय ना।
So there were complaints from the residents around saying that dust and all basically vehicles are passing by and the dust is going to their house. Some there are senior people and some are sick people. So that was their concern. So basically we have come here to see that the roads are completely blocked. Last time also when we had a meeting with the CM, we had clearly discussed and we had said it should be part by part. So we should block one road, show a direction. There are so many other roads basically which they can exit from. So this is the most important. See, people also should come forward basically to support. That people only know to make a noise. They should come and support, no? Because unless if you are part, see, it is ultimately the development is for the all. So you should be a part in this construction of this city.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.